Bienvenidos, es tu favorita morenita. Today's video, we're gonna be doing a little bit of home decor. We're gonna be specifically talking about my living room. What happened? One day I decided I no longer want neutral colors unless it was intentional in my home. Anytime I would travel out of the country, I would realize how much color I was lacking in my home. And if you met me, you know that my personality is color. Like if I think of my personality, it's not black and white. My personality is vibras, it's color, it's life. Why wasn't it transitioning into my house? So we went to Mexico City, para lo que no saben, a mí me fascina la Ciudad de Mexico. Like Mexico City, Mexico in general, really reminds me of such a wholesome place. There's so much life, there's so much culture, there's so much color, and it honestly really inspired me to want to bring that into my house. So let's get into my living room decor. Vamos a comenzar. Before this sofa, we had a sectional gray couch from West Elm, and it's carried us for like 4.5 years, but we've had family sleep on it, royal slept on it. Like it was just the, you know, everybody has that couch. Everybody has that couch. And it was time. Lulu and Georgia collaborated with designer Carly Kushney on this sofa, and she had so many other pieces, but this sofa specifically spoke to me. It's a rolled vintage velvet sofa. I've always had a sectional, but it's deep enough for you to just put your feet up. And honestly, no, if you need to put your feet up, then go to sleep. That's how I felt because it was pretty and I wanted it, okay? Like look, you can fit on it just nice. You can comfortably sit here. You're comfortable. That's all you need. That's how I felt. Thank you. I'm literally staging this for y'all. I didn't know what my vision was. I just knew that I saw that inspiration from Lulu and Georgia and said, I need my living room to look like this. What I love about this coffee table is that I didn't want my living room to feel super pink, but I wanted it to still feel like there was like some soft feminine touches. The coffee table has some like pink marble in it. Oh, gorgeous. And with the light wood, I've never been into woods. Who am I? And then my cousin was so kind enough to buy me this gorgeous coffee table book that never lays here because my son uses it to play for his toys. This is his toys stage, in fact. Yeah, and the book is from Anthropology. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but the rug is from Ruggable. They were so kind enough to gift it to me. It's from their Architectural Digest collection. The way this rug is so comfortable, so easy to use. I was concerned about the light colors, but honestly, there's no shoes in this house and we have been really good at keeping it clean. And you can also wash it, it's ruggable, but it's super light maintenance. I wanted things that can have longevity and can be worn. I don't mind if things get messed up. I have a kid, I have no expectations for things to look new. I want things to be worn. I wanted this living room to feel like a feeling, and that's what this living room is for me. The cool thing about this rug is that every color that this rug has, there was an item in this living room that was cohesive with it. So it was meant to be, so thank you, Ruggable. Then I also got this mirror from Birch Lane. And what's interesting is I went to another store and they were selling it for, I think maybe like 600 bucks more. And I found it on Birch Lane for a lot cheaper. I was like, yeah, I'll take it. That baby is definitely mounted to the wall because I have a child and you know, you gotta be safe, but it is gorgeous. You can see everything. I hope that one day when we have our own house, I could really like make this like, you know, the way this mirror captures everything and it brings so much light into this house. I just believe in mirrors just being in your home. It's just good energy. It makes the space feel bigger. But this mirror, I wanted something rounded that looked worn. If you get closer, I'll show you a little bit closer. It just has texture to it. It has life into it. That's what I wanted in my house. I just wanted things to be used, you know? Next, we have this TV console, and this one was also from Crate & Barrel. Again, I have been obsessed with light woods. I have never been a person who cared for woods. I have always been someone who likes black and gold. I said it. I've been a black and gold girl for years, but now I feel like that was my comfort zone. Everything pega con negro y oro, you know? But woods, I've been having fun with like mixed matching woods. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just chasing a feeling. That's all I can say. And at night when I'm able to be in my living room with un cafecito, oh my gosh, it's everything. Then we also got this accent chair. Again, we're playing with pinks, we're playing with marble, we're playing with a lot of neutral colors, but like I said, we're being intentional about it. But this accent chair is from, where's it from? It's also from Lulu in Georgia. And I like it's a swivel. Yeah, you know, super cute. I don't sit here enough because it's usually being moved because my son child, he just rearranges furniture, but it's okay. It's okay. I wanted it because I had a vision. Now, you can say that this is where we put all of our blankets, or you can say this is where we hide Carter's diapers every time he needs a diaper change. You know, to each its own. Take it for however you want to take it. Either or, she's a vase and we just repurposed her because we're gonna move on to the next reason why. Now, we need a moment for this lime wash gorgeousness. My good friends, the Marcus and MJ, who are also interior designers, came over and painted this entire wall. The way they did this in such a short period of time, because I'm very impulsive and I decided to do this really last minute. And yeah, and they just came through. If you're looking for interior designers, tell them I sent you, okay? Once they painted this wall, it came to life, okay? The paint is from Portola Paints, and the color, don't remember the name of the color, but I knew I wanted some life in here, and lime wash, like a white wall, sure, but like this lime wash momento is absolute perfection. So thank you guys. I love you guys so much for dealing con mi locura. And then lastly, I don't know if you guys can see it, but then I got this 7-foot tree from Amazon, and the pot is from Crate & Barrel. The pot was so big, it almost didn't even fit in my car. But ultimately, that is my living room. Bueno, terminamos. I hope you enjoyed my living room decor. Be nice, because I've never decorated before, and like I have, but never this intentional. I do love what I have going on here, and I can't wait to continue this because it has been a feeling that I have been chasing, and I want to make our home feel like a home. But I told myself, once we have like a family room and we buy our house, I told myself to really allow my imagination to run wild, because it's your house. So you want it to reflect how you feel, how you see the world. When you come home, you want it to feel like a breath of fresh air. So I hope you enjoyed my living room decor. She's still a work in progress, but I just wanted to share a little bit of me with y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll do my best to link everything down below. And yeah, let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Whew. Okay, adios.